Hey guys, if you're looking for a great gift to give this year to a Mickey fanatic, this would definitely be it. This holiday Mickey wreath will go perfect on your door. Also, I'll let you know where I grabbed all the supplies and how much it cost at the end of this video. You're gonna need one larger metal wreath, then two baby wreaths. Obviously, do you guys see the vision here? This is kind of like what we're gonna do. You'll need some zip ties to put all together. Also need a pair of scissors to cut those ends of the zip ties. And you'll need some festive garland. First thing you're gonna wanna do is connect your smaller wreaths to the larger wreath. The way I'm doing it is these have some valleys, so I'm just gonna connect them here, and I'm gonna line these up and just zip tie them together. Okay, I'm gonna do the same exact thing on this side. And in these corners, what I'm doing is I'm kind of putting it to this one, the big one, and the small one, so it kind of anchors it to the frame, giving you that classic shape. Alrighty, so there's the classic shape that I'm talking about. And then I already snipped these ones, and you'll just need to snip the rest of them. So now they're on pretty stable, because I connected them to these areas here, so it makes it very stable. Next comes the fun part. What we're gonna do is we are going to literally just wrap it around. To start it off, what I would do is zip tie it to the frame so it does not go anywhere, and then you'll continue the wrapping around until you get to the end. Obviously, the thicker, if you want it thicker, you can go closer together. If you don't want it as thick, you can go a little further apart. It's really up to you. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Now you have one of two ways. You can continue to go around the larger round, or you can go up the ears and come around. What I'm gonna do, because I wanna use one of the garlands for each of the ears, so I'm gonna go all the way around to complete the circle. Okay, I've come to the end of this right here, so I'm gonna zip tie this so that it doesn't come undone. At this time, you can spread this apart a little bit if you want, if it's too thick, or you can scrunch it up a little bit more to make it even thicker, up to you. But I put that zip tie here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and snip this here. Okay, so this is my second piece of garland that we're gonna go around with. And then I should definitely have used that same zip tie to zip tie this together, but I didn't think of it, so we'll start with another zip tie. All right, so the outside is done, and then we just have to work on the ears. Now, you guys don't have to make it as thick, you can make it lighter, or maybe your garland is much thicker than mine, and you won't need as much, but it's really personal preference. So let's start on these ears. Alrighty, so we got that one on. Now I use one whole one because I like to make them nice and rich with the garland, so that's why I did that. But yeah, it's up to you if you want to use half a garland, a full garland, or whatnot, but I want it to be chunky. A pro tip for you guys would be to bunch your garland up when you're throwing it through the hoop, or through the hoop, so that it's easier for you to pass through it. And if you are enjoying this video, please definitely subscribe, like, follow on my platforms. All those help me. I am a small business, and I am trying to grow my platforms to reach more people. So if you're a crafter yourself, please follow me. I definitely want to build a community of crafters, people we can, chat with, get help with stuff. If you're that type of person that loves helping other people like I am, then please definitely follow and join this community, because I want to grow this community to something that's very helpful to others, and to maybe new crafters or new people, starting on their on their journey. Okay, and there you go. So now we have it all wrapped all the way around. If you see some spots where you're like, oh, that doesn't look whatever, you know, adjust your garland in the direction that you would like it, that it's a little bit bald, or if you're like, oh, that does, there's maybe like a gap or something. Remember, as you're spinning onto this, you're gonna probably pull some of those, all these little fringes down. No big deal, just go in there nice and gently and pull them out. And yeah. Now the next thing that this needs is a bow. So let me grab one of those. All right, so this is the bow that I'm gonna add to it. And then it has the ties on the back. This is the bow that I have. And I'm just gonna tie it to, I'm gonna find that metal frame here, right at the top. And I'm just gonna twist that up. There you go. You have yourself a little Mickey inspired wreath. So let's put this up on the door. That's what it looks like on the door. And that's so cute. Okay, so now that the wreath is done and you've gotten it, you want to know the price and where I got all these supplies. You might be surprised, I actually got all of my supplies at Dollar Tree. So everything was $1.25 because we know Dollar Tree is now $1.25. So what you'll need is a large wire wreath. The small wreaths come in a 2-pack. So the wreaths come in a 2-pack, $1.25 for 2. The large wreath is $1.25 by itself. Then the garland, also from Dollar Tree, I got 5 of those, and those were $1.25 each. And then the one bow, also from Dollar Tree, and that was $1.25, pulling your grand total to $10 total minus tax, or I'm sorry, with excluding tax. So it comes to $10 excluding tax. So that's your total price of making that wreath. So it's something super cute, and I've had my wreath for, this is the first one I made, and I've had this for, I don't know, like 5 or 6 years. So yeah, I really enjoy making them, super easy. And I would, yeah, I would highly recommend it as a gift, or if you're just making it for yourself. Again, I want to thank everybody for watching this video. Thank you so much to all my subscribers and all my followers. If you are new, please consider following. I'm a small business, and just trying to grow my platform. So any help with following, liking, sharing would be greatly appreciated. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.